Hisense Xumo TVs can be reset in two primary ways: power cycling and factory reset. Power cycling is a soft reset that involves unplugging the TV from the power source for 30 to 60 seconds, then plugging it back in. This clears temporary memory and resolves minor issues like frozen screens or app glitches without deleting your data or settings. A factory reset is a hard reset that restores the TV to its original factory state. Access it through the TV's settings menu, typically under Device Preferences Reset or System About Reset. This erases all user data, installed apps, and customizations. The default PIN is usually 0000. Choose the appropriate method based on the severity of the issue. Use power cycling for minor problems and factory reset for more persistent issues like software freezes or major malfunctions. To power cycle your Hisense Xumo TV, simply unplug it from the electrical outlet. Wait at least 30 seconds to allow any residual power to dissipate. Then plug the TV back in and power it on. For a factory reset, navigate to the Settings menu. On Google TV models, go to Settings, Device Preferences, Reset, Factory Data Reset. On Vita OS models, go to Settings, System, About, Reset. Confirm your selection and enter the PIN, usually 0000. The TV will restart and begin the factory reset process. Note that a factory reset will require you to reconnect to your Wi-Fi, sign into your accounts, and re-download your apps. Back up important data if possible, as this process is irreversible. If you are unable to access the menu, for some models, pressing volume up plus channel up power simultaneously can perform a reset.